In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace name. Whether you've rebranded your company or simply want to update the information, changing your Google Workspace name is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive into the steps to make this change. Firstly, you need to navigate to Google Workspace. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Google Workspace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you've reached Google Workspace, the next step is to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with the workspace you intend to update. This is crucial because the changes you're about to make will only affect the selected account. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is an important security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to the account. Type in your password carefully and proceed to the next step. Click on the Next button to move forward. This confirms your credentials and takes you deeper into the account settings where you can execute various administrative tasks, including changing your workspace name. Once logged in, look for the square dot icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon represents the Google apps and services available to you. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Admin Console. This will redirect you to your Google Workspace admin dashboard. Here you have access to a multitude of settings that affect how your workspace operates. The Admin Console is your command center for making administrative adjustments. Within the Admin Console, you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on this to access your account settings. This section is where you can find details about your workspace account, including billing information, security settings, and of course the name of your workspace. After entering the account settings, look for the Account Setting option. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed setting page where you can manage your profile, preferences, and other critical aspects of your Google Workspace account. Now it's time to navigate to your profile. This is where your workspace information, such as the name and contact details, are stored. Click on Profile to proceed to the editable fields. Within your profile settings, find and click on Name. This is the section specifically dedicated to managing how your workspace name appears across Google services. It's crucial to choose a name that reflects your brand or organization accurately. After clicking on Name, you're ready to change your workspace name. Enter your new name into the provided field. Take a moment to ensure that it's spelled correctly and represents your brand precisely how you want it to. Finally, after you've entered your new workspace name, click on the Save button. This action will update your workspace name across Google services, finalizing the change. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Google Workspace name. Remember, this change might take a few minutes to propagate across all Google services, so don't worry if it doesn't reflect immediately. Changing your Google Workspace name is a simple yet impactful way to ensure your brand is accurately represented in your digital communications. If you need to revisit these steps in the future, or if you're managing multiple workspaces, this guide will always be here to help. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial.